And if Google Chrome opens but shows a black screen, oh, no tabs, no pages, just a blank dark window, yeah, that's a frustrating issue. The good news is it's usually caused by graphics or settings conflicts. In this guide, I'll show you how to solve the Google Chrome black screen problem on PC step by step in 2026. Let's get into it. First, fully close Chrome. Open Task Manager and end all Chrome processes. Sometimes Chrome keeps running in the background and causes the black screen. This is the most common fix. Open Chrome settings, go to System, and turn off hardware acceleration. Then restart Chrome. Graphics driver conflicts are the number one reason for black screen issues. If Chrome opens black, try resizing or minimizing and restoring the window. This sounds simple, but it often forces Chrome to redraw the screen properly. Extensions can also cause black screens. Open Chrome in incognito mode or disable extensions one by one. If the black screen disappears, one of your extensions is the problem. Right-click the Chrome shortcut and open Properties. Go to Compatibility and make sure compatibility mode is turned off. Incorrect compatibility settings can break Chrome's display. Outdated or broken graphics drivers often cause black screens. Update your GPU drivers from the official source. Then restart your PC. If the issue continues, reset Chrome settings. This removes corrupted configurations without deleting your bookmarks or passwords, and that's it. One of these steps will fix the Google Chrome black screen problem on your PC in most cases. If this helped, save it, and yeah, check out the other Chrome fix guides on the channel. See you next time.